Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will discuss the current trends in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, noting significant price movements and potential future directions. Also cover Bitcoin's recent all-time highs, the performance of altcoins like XRP and Ethereum, and the overall market sentiment. And a quick touch on the implications of the US dollar index, DXY, movements on crypto assets. Bitcoin update. Bitcoin has pushed above resistance and hit a new daily all-time high, suggesting a potential move toward the top of the Bollinger Band, approximately $110,000. The breakout is seen as a sign of strength, and we should expect further upside unless a sharp correction occurs. Altcoins outlook. XRP, positioned at the center of its daily Bollinger Band, showing signs it may soon surge toward a new high, targeting $2.50 and beyond. Ethereum, looking stronger than XRP, currently supported on the 20-week moving average and 21-week exponential moving average, which historically signals potential for an altcoin season. Altcoin season commentary. Recent market conditions have shown significant altcoin runs, though not broad-based. Ethereum's relative strength is seen as a potential driver of the next alt season, possibly extending through to September. Ethereum price targets, currently nearing a key level, approximately $2,700. If cleared, it could quickly move toward $3,000, then potentially $4,000. A death cross around $2,700 needs to be cleared for this bullish scenario to play out. Macro view. US dollar index, DXY. DXY dollar index is trending down, which is typically bullish for crypto and risk assets. A breakdown below 95 could lead to further weakness in the dollar, supporting continued asset rallies. However, if the dollar eventually rallies sharply, as in 2022, it could be devastating for crypto in the long term. Stock market overview. Stock indices are steady, key support zone being watched. A breakdown of this zone could lead to significant downside. Closing notes. Overall sentiment. Bullish, especially for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Here are today's top 10 coins for investment. Number 10, Polkadot. Current price, $4.67. Market cap, $7.35 billion. Polkadot enables interoperability between different blockchains, positioning itself as a key player in the multi-chain future. Number 9, Cardano. Current price, 75 cents. Market cap, $26.45 billion. Cardano focuses on scalability and sustainability, with ongoing developments aimed at enhancing its smart contract capabilities. Number 8, Solana. Current price, $168.96. Market cap, $87.77 billion. Known for its high-speed transactions and low fees, Solana has seen a 25% increase in the past week, making it a strong contender in the smart contract platform space. Number 7, Binance Coin. Current price, $653.30. Market cap, $91.95 billion. BNB remains integral to the Binance ecosystem, supporting various services and the Binance Smart Chain, which powers numerous decentralized applications. Number 6, Bitcoin. Current price, $106,570. Market cap, $2.06 trillion. Bitcoin continues to lead the market, with analysts like Anthony Scaramucci projecting potential highs between $180,000 and $200,000 by year-end, driven by increasing institutional adoption and ETF demand. Number 5, Ethereum. Current price, $2,532.10. Market cap, $304.95 billion. Ethereum has recently outperformed Bitcoin thanks to the Petra upgrade, enhancing scalability and user experience. leading to a 45% gain in May. Number 4. Hedera. Current price, $0.1957. Market cap, $8.27 billion. Moves in association with XRP and has a higher potential with its all-time high being $0.4565, more than 2x from now. Number 3. Stellar or XLM. Current price, 29 cents. Market cap, $8.99 billion. Also associated with XRP, but usually have more aggressive movement, so it is more risky. But as of now, it should be going up, so it should bring bigger gains. Number 2. XRP. Current price, $2.35. Market cap, $137.65 billion. XRP is gaining traction due to its utility in facilitating fast international money transfers, with a market cap of approximately $151.6 billion. As discussed in this video, XRP has a high chance of going up and reaching a new all-time high soon. And number 1. Algorand. Current price, $0.225. Market cap, $1.93 billion. Another coin associated with XRP, with probably the highest potential. It is more than 10x away from its all-time high, and it is fully possible that it will reach it or even go beyond it this year. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want more videos like this.